leader of the opposition will speak and the two former prime ministers will speak. I will look to the rule book later. Why? These positions have august stand. I said so. Similarly, we cannot treat institutions with that kind of observation. You are a very senior member, sir. If anyone in the House, one second, if anyone in the House was to use an expression for LOP, I would come to the rescue of LOP. It's an elevated constitutional position. At least I expected from you, Mallikarjun ji, that you will raise the level of a debate and not use those juicy expressions. They are not good. They are not appropriate. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Please take your seat. Take your seat, Mr. Venugopal. Take your seat. Take your seat. Mr. Venugopal, take your seat. Mr. One second. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. No, I am on the chair. No, please take your seat. Honorable members, take your seat. No, I will not allow debate to go to that level. No, please, sorry. Mr. I would urge the LOP to control his members. I would urge you. Mr. Digvijay Singh, you are such a senior member. When I am on my feet, it is elementary. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. All of you take your seat. Take your, Mr. Venugopal, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, when the LOP made reference to Ambedkar ji, you made reference to what was said in the Constituent Assembly. Am I right?
Yes.
Rightly.
Yes.
I remind you of the same observations, that it is bound and duty of every member of this House to enhance decorum. Please sit down. Sit down. Take your seat. No. The chair cannot allow. It is for the LOP to take a call to what level he wants to raise a debate. If LOP comes to that level, yes, Mr. Mallikarjun, please take your seat.
देखिए साहब, मुझे
Please take your seat.
देखिए आप इतना इमोशनल मत हो जाए साहब.
सर मैं नहीं हो रहा
वाले नहीं हैं.
नहीं मल्लिकार्जुन जी, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, सुने, 1 second, for every wrong practice, 1 second, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, 1 second, honorable members, time has come for us कि हर गलत परंपरा को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए रियल व्यू में देखते हैं. We will not, please bear that mind. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition.
सर, अगर आप ऐसा इंटरप्ट करते गए, मेरा कहने का मैं क्या कहूँ, क्योंकि जब फ्लो में हम बोलते हैं, कहीं गलती है आप एक्सपेंज करो, अगर कहीं ठीक नहीं है, जो शब्द इसमें यहाँ पर
please. Don't break his flow. Direct, take your seat. Take your seat.
एक साहब, मैं आपको और बताना चाहूंगा, वहां पर मैं 5 साल फ्लोर लीडर था. मैं बहुत सी बातें करता था, लेकिन उसको उत्तर भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर देते थे. यहाँ पर मैं 2 साल हो गए, यहाँ भी हूँ. नीचे 9 साल था वहाँ पर कर्नाटक में, और 5 साल डिप्टी लीडर था. वो एज गुड एज वही चला था उस वक्त, क्योंकि जो लीडर थे वो थोड़े से बीमार थे, तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा तो अनुभव है साहब,
इसीलिए कहा है।
लेकिन आप बार बार मुझे टोक रहे हो, आपके पोजीशन के तहत बात नहीं कर रहे। आप जो कैसा ऐसा मुझे बोलना भी आप सिखाएंगे, मुझे बोलना भी सिखाएंगे।
Take your seat. Honorable members, all throughout, one second, all throughout, I have shown highest respect to the leader of the opposition. And this house is witness to a spectacle. When I invited the honorable leader of the house to my chamber, he said, I don't want to quote, leader of the opposition. Number two, yesterday was a sad day. Digvijay Singh ji was speaking. He used an expression for the president. I did not make an issue of it. I immediately questioned him. He withdrew immediately. What he said was, what has the president done to get that office? It could have been very different. It is my duty here to ensure there is cordiality, congeniality, and real debate and discussion. If I have urged, one second, sir, if I have urged the honorable leader of the opposition that at his elevated level, the discourse has to be very different. I am sure nothing wrong with it, please.
सर, आपने तो मुझे सलाह दी, मैं उसका स्वागत करता हूं, लेकिन सलाह दोनों साइड होना चाहिए, मैं यही और सर 2014 में प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी एक बहुत बड़ा बात बोली है या जुमला बोली है, कहा था ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा। लेकिन मैं आपके सामने चंद उद्योगपतियों को क्यों खिला रहे हैं ये मैं पूछना चाहता हूं। एक देखिए, एक मोदी जी साहब के नजदीकी दोस्त की दौलत 2.5 साल में 13 गुना बढ़ गया। 2014 में उसका 50,000 करोड़ रुपए थी, 2019 तक 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए हुई। अचानक ऐसा क्या जादू हो गया कि 2 ही साल में 12 लाख करोड़ रुपए की संपत्ति आ गई। मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, इतना फास्ट डेवलपमेंट। हाँ, ये क्या दोस्ती की मेहरबानी बोल रहा? क्या आप उनसे फिर क्यों साहब? ये
No. The speech, the discourse, one thing, the discourse cannot go to allegations which you can't substantiate. No. Yes. No, one second. I cannot allow this house to be a platform of free fall of information. Using these loose expressions, casting aspersions without any basis. Leader of the House.
The Honorable Leader of the Opposition
I'm calling upon Leader of the House.
is a very distinguished senior leader, as you rightly pointed
Very
out.
distinguished.
We also have the distinguished former finance minister who has run this government before our government came in for many years. Honorable Leader of the Opposition is making an allegation which A, neither can he substantiate, B, an association which has absolutely no basis whatsoever, C, he's talking of a purported wealth which does not have any merit, because that's a share market calculation on which the government has no role to play. It's for the regulators to see and for the share market participants to decide what value they get. So any aspersion being cast and trying to assess and suggest that a large wealth was being created is completely baseless. And I would urge him to learn from his former finance minister what is this valuation and how this is created, whether it results in wealth or it's a valuation that's a market cost given there?
One second. One second.
Sir,
I would urge you. Under what rule?
38A.
Yes.
238A says, no allegation of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a
One
member,
second. Jairam
shall
Ramesh,
be made,
don't jump to your feet. Don't.
shall be made by a member against any other member or a member of the House unless the member making the allegation has given previous intimation to the chairman.
No. You see, the honorable member. One second. Well, you see, I have insisted right from day one. We have to be extremely careful. We cannot. One second. I don't know, there's a problem. Every time any speaker of your party speaks, you want to help him out. Let them do it. Sit down, sit down, sit down. I would urge leader of the opposition. One second. I would urge leader of the opposition that the point raised is a valid point. This House cannot be a platform to level allegations. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Jairam Ramesh, I know. What is your statement? Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, sir, what your team is doing? No. I call upon Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge to put documentation on record right now, which he has done with respect to allegations involving the name of the Prime Minister. Do it. You have used expressions which are not appropriate. Sit down. I know. Sit down, take your seat. So, Mr. Kharge, Honorable LOP, I call upon you that we must work. I know you have made some very strong observations regarding me also a while ago. I can assure you, you bring on the table huge experience. I also bring on the table modest experience. I am imploring you that what's the problem? What's the problem? No, the debate in the House, the debate in the House has to be firmed up on duly authenticated record. This House cannot be a platform for free fall of information. One can't trade anything one likes. We cannot have a spectacle which we had recently. No, I would urge you, sir, request you, in the name of your seniority, in the name of position you hold, that I am saying so because you have, in last 3 minutes, used expressions which you know are stigmatic. No. Authentication. No. Every allegation will have to be authenticated, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. That's the direction of the chair. Have to be authenticated. Go ahead.
Point of order. So point of order, sir.
Yes. Under which rule?
Sir, he said 238(2). 1 and 2. When Honorable Sushil Modi ji referred to that rule, sir, while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. He didn't speak anything like that. He was continuing his speech, sir. And how the point is valid.
Mr. Siva.
Allegation. That is not against any member, sir.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Yes.
Judicial decision is pending, but he didn't quote that. It was quoted only two. 238-2 was quoted. 238-2 was quoted.
He's a distinguished chartered accountant. The leader of the opposition is talking only of valuation.
No. You are not listening to him carefully. No.
He did not speak about valuation. He spoke about passing well.
Yes. Honorable Finance Minister. Honorable Finance Minister. 1 second. Honorable Finance
Sir, if I
Minister.
can make some sense of what is going on, it's very smart to say we are giving data, we will corroborate it, we will leave it on the table. We are not talking about a member, all this. But it is completely infused with insinuations against the Honorable Prime Minister, and that is what we are objecting to. It's one thing to say it's valuation, don't you understand it? Please, all right, quote the valuation. But they are subtly and overtly, repeatedly insinuating against the Honorable PM. That's what we are objecting to. Please put the whole thing.
You should agree. One second. Sir, after listening to the Honorable Finance Minister, I thought everyone will agree. Every word she spoke carried sublimity, and you are objecting. Sit down, sir. Sit down. दोस्ती नहीं है सर, दोस्ती नहीं है. Mr. Digvijay Singh ji, what Khadge ji said was beyond insinuation. Now, just believe. No. You have been Chief Minister for 10 years. We are making reflection about Prime Minister of the country. Yes, that has been what. Yes, Mr. Khadge said so. No. No, sir. Yesterday you were very reasonable. When the highest constitutional office came in for suffering at your hand, you immediately relented. He should also relent. No. You see, sir, you have great experience at your back. Can you allow an institution to be so treated? President, Prime Minister, no. Please.
What has he said against the Prime Minister?
Please.
I would like to know what has he said against the Prime Minister.
Listen to him carefully, you'll know it. No, listen to him carefully, you'll know it.
Yes. देखिए सर, मैं ये कहा एक व्यक्ति जिसकी संपत्ति 2.5 साल में 13 गुना बढ़ गई और 14 में 50,000 करोड़ की थी, 2019 में 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए की संपत्ति उसकी हो गई. अचानक ऐसा क्या हुआ जादू कि 2 ही साल में 12 लाख करोड़ हो गए. ये कहा ये. और दूसरा, अब देखिए हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट तो है इंटरनेशनल, अब वो उसको मानते नहीं, लेकिन उसके बारे में मैं डिटेल जाना नहीं चाहता और फिर ऐसा गड़बड़ी क्रिएट करके मेरा टाइम तो चले गया, लेकिन मैं और आगे इसको बढ़ाना नहीं,
आप तो नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, पर मैं बता रहा हूँ, कहीं से कोई भी रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी और हम कुछ भी कर लेंगे. नहीं. दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से कोई भी रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी. We have to rise to a level. मतलब मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता, ऐसा नहीं है सर. My suggestion is, let us believe in ourselves. Let us believe in our strength. Let us believe in our institutions. हर किसी को अपनी